Let us proceed with the first song.
Plastic uses animal fat to prevent stickiness. During the manufacturing process of plastics, polymer agents keep the plastic from sticking to unwanted objects. These anti-stick agents are also known as slip agents or tallow, and they are sourced from animal additives such as fat. They end up in many commercial plastics such as shopping bags, candles, and even bike tires. Gelatin is a hodgepodge of meat packing industry leftovers. Gelatin can be found in gummy candies, cakes, marshmallows, and ice creams, and is concocted from the collagen of animal parts. Which animal it comes from is totally up to the manufacturer, but it's typically what's left over from the meat packing industry's stuff from pigs, cows, eggs. The animal bones, skin, and other scraps are boiled down into a yellowish, odorless, tasteless substance and put into a variety of confections and makeups. Sugar is cut with crushed cow bones. The crystalline white color of sugar isn't a natural occurrence. To purify the color, many American sugar companies refine sugar during processing with bone char, the ashes of animals. The bones of cows are superheated into carbon and pulled through the sugar for the removal of lingering impurities and cosmetic decolorization. Crayons contain beef fat. The nostalgic smell of a crayon might be a comforting thought to some, but what gives it that memorable smell is one of its main animal, byproduct derived ingredients. A main ingredient in crayons is rendered beef fat. Everything from its smell to its waxy consistency is derived as a result of recycled cow parts. Red food coloring is made of crushed dead bugs. Carmine is a rich red pigment that turns food and candy the brilliant red color seen in candies and ice creams. It's made out of the dried and powdered remains of red cochineal beetles. The color comes from pure, crushed dead bug. It takes 70,000 beetles to make just a pound of this red color, and it's added to all sorts of foods, drinks, and beauty products to give it a luscious red flair. Condoms are made with lactating animal proteins. The majority of latex condoms utilize a highly profitable byproduct of dairy farming in their manufacturing process. Casein, a protein taken from lactating animals, is a dairy product that is used during production of condoms that helps make those rubbers smooth. It's also common to find condoms made out of animal skins such as sheepskin. Orange juice comes with fish oil. Orange juices such as Tropicana Healthy Heart with omega-3 contain vitamins derived from fish oil and gelatin. The omega-3 included in the juice is sourced from tilapia, sardines, and anchovies. Processed box orange juices and vitamin-enhanced juices will also add omega-3 in order to enhance the nutritional value. Nail polish and lipstick contain fish scales. To create the shining mother-of-pearl appearance in nail polishes and lipsticks, some products use ingredients derived from ocean life itself. Guanine, which is sometimes labeled as pearl essence on the products that contain it, is a base component of DNA and RNA. Makeup companies derive the guanine from the scales of easily gathered fishing industry fish such as herring and sardine. Guinness beer used fish bladders in the fermentation process. While some might enjoy drinking alcohol like a fish, they might not be expecting to actually be drinking fish. Isinglass is an ingredient in Guinness used to filter the beer by soaking up strain yeast while it's fermenting, but it lingers in the product long after the extra yeast has been removed. Where does it come from? Fish bladders. Guinness reportedly phased out the use of isinglass and went completely vegan early 2017. Perfume is made from what beavers use to mark territory. The wonderful smell of vanilla is an easily identifiable scent not only to humans but to beavers as well. The ingredient castoreum comes from the castor sac of mature North American beavers, and the gland is milked for its musky, vanilla-smelling secretions. These secretions that beavers typically use to mark their territories are then used in perfumes and foods to give it a pleasant aroma. Downy laundry detergent uses animal-rendered fat to keep clothes soft. Downy detergent makes your clothing feel soft and snuggly, and does so by washing your clothes in the ingredient dihydrogenated tallow dimethyl ammonium chloride. It's a mouthful to say, let alone comprehend. You don't know the scientific meanings behind the words. It's a chemical combination of horse, sheep, and cow thrown together with a mixture of ammonium. This creates a quat, or a quaternary ammonium compound, that coat your clothes in fatty lipids and make them soft and static resistant. Bread has duck, goose, and chicken byproducts. Stretchy and firm doughs like pizza crust get their elasticity from L-cysteine, a dough conditioner and strengthener. Processed foods also include L-cysteine to extend their shelf life. The most commonly derived sources of L-cysteine come from duck, goose, and chicken feathers. Rumors about human hair being used as a source of these threads have been debunked as a hoax.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.